Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a nice tractor. This is a B2401. Has 50 original hours. Very, very nicely equipped. Has an LA 435 quick attach front loader with skid steer quick attach. Does have the BH70 backhoe on the back of it with a 12-inch bucket. Very clean, garage kept tractor. Tractor was purchased new on 10/16 of 20 and will have powertrain warranty until 10/15 of 2026. We do have a full 3-point kit over here for it. So it is tractor loader backhoe 3-point kit. We're going to start walking around this tractor. I realize I have my hood up, Matt. And we're going to show you all about this tractor. Very, very clean tractor. Again, we did wash, wax, and detail it. We did go ahead and purchase a filter kit, completely serviced it. All filters and oils are changed. We did transmission, engine, fuel, hydrostatic filter, hydraulic filter. These are, so everybody knows, a B2401 is a gear drive tractor. These are a DT. Again, really cool little tractor. They have really good power. You got a couple little scuffs here on the hood. You got skid steer quick attach. Matt, is that a 54-inch bucket?
Yeah.
54-inch skid steer quick attach style bucket. It is the LA 435 swift attach loader. Turf tire package. You can see the BH70 backhoe is like new. Teeth have only been in the ground a few times. You can see that. We are going to operate it here for you and show you that everything works. Walk you up here and kind of go over some controls. You are going to have low, medium, and high range on your transmission. Then you will have 1, 2, and 3 gears in each range. Reverse, you obviously will have 3 ranges of reverse. You are going to have over here 4-wheel drive in and out, up and down for 3-point when you have it on, 50 hours. All the lights work. I mean, it's just an absolutely beautiful tractor. Very nice late model tractor, equipped very nice toolbox, roll bar, just a really nice piece. Power steering. We're going to fire it up here. I'm going to run it around for you, and I'm going to show you it does everything it is supposed to do. And here we go. And I'll put it in low range to start. Now, we're going to back up. 4-wheel drive is working. Shut that out. 4-wheel drive's off. So right here, we're in low range reverse. I'm going to clutch. I'm going to go ahead and go to medium reverse. I'm going to go ahead and go to high reverse. Now, we're going to go ahead. That's low, second, third, now, we're going to go medium range first, and then we got third, now, what we're going to do here, we're going to go ahead and go to high, and we'll do first gear. We'll grab second gear. Third gear. So, I'll go ahead and lock my parking brake on, put my bucket down. I'm going to go ahead, dismount tractor. We're going to have a little lever you pull here under the seat. Your seat is going to come around and is going to lock in place. We do have a very nice style setup. on the seats. I'm going to go ahead and hop up on this tractor. And we're going to pull out our boom locking pins, swivel locking pin, and we're going to illustrate the backhoe works. See, I can swivel side to side. Again, BH70 backhoe, nice backhoe, nice size tractor. Nice thing is a subframe mount backhoe. That's a big deal. If you're buying a backhoe, don't buy anything but a subframe mount backhoe. We get some of that stuff every once in a while that's not. We sell it as a cheap backhoe loader because of that. If somebody tries to push you on a 3-point hitch setup, let it set right where it's at. And there's still some of that stuff running around these days. We're going to release that seat. We're going to swivel it back this way, push down and latch it. We're going to go back through our gears. Then remember to shut off your park brake. I like this little gear drive tractor. It's pretty cool. If you're somebody who is not afraid of shifting gears, this is a very reliable transmission. Just due to the fact turn signals, 4-ways, everything works. Due to the fact a lot of your gear drive tractor stuff, made in the 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, they're running today. I'm not saying a hydrostat's a bad thing. If you want something that's got good power, and you're going to do a lot of brush hog work, you lose so much power through your brush hog, through your hydrostat transmission on your PTO. And it's nice to have a little gear drive tractor, and that just fits a great need in that market. Kubota come out with the 2401 for that reason. They needed a machine in that class size and a gear drive because the market's there for it, and they executed that very, very, very well in my opinion. But keep in mind, this is a 2020 tractor with 50 hours. It is a like-new tractor. We do have a complete set of 3-point hitch, including top link is there, LA 435 quick attach loader, skid steer quick attach bucket, BH70 backhoe, 12-inch bucket, toolbox, folding ROPS, and this is a DT gear drive tractor. So if you got any questions, 814-658-3066. If you'd like to check us out online, do that at www.marksupplyco.com. If you want to see us here in person, we're located at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. You're welcome to stop by. We're open Monday through Friday, generally 8 in the morning until 5 o'clock in the evening, Saturdays 8 to 12. I will meet people by appointment at other times. If we can help in any way, again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking us out. Have a great day.